So as a landlord, no matter the reason that you have to eject your tenant from that house, do it the right way, okay? No matter how trivial your reason may be, no matter how flimsy it may be, because some landlords have the most trivial or the most flimsiest excuses to give for ejecting their tenant. Whatever reason, do it the right way. It's your property. Ownership lies with you. You still have ownership. That's your property. That's your business. So you have every right to accommodate who you want to accommodate in your house. You have every right to accept whoever you want to accept as a tenant in your house. And you have every right to say, oh, I no longer want you to stay in this house. Please quit. But in doing so, do it the proper way. Yesterday, when I made a video, I posted a video, and I have this friend who comes to support my channel. So we had time to talk after she must have watched the video that I dropped in the evening. And that was when she now shared her friend's audio. I was like, her friend has an issue with the landlord. That how does she go about this? I said, what happened? Said she sent her rent that was due. She has been occupying the place for quite some time now, and she sent her rent that was due, and then the landlord resends the rent back to her. And I'm like, why? Said the landlord resent the rent when she called and said, sir, I sent you rent and you are resending it back to me. The landlord said, no, I don't want your rent again. Pack out of my house. I'm giving you 2 weeks to, whether 2 weeks or 1 week, to pack out of my house. I'm no longer accepting rent from you. Say why? I said, because you insulted me. Fine. There is nothing wrong with asking your tenant to move out of your house because he or she insulted you. But do it the proper way. Because people have trivial reasons for doing things. Landlords have trivial reasons, flimsy reasons for asking their tenant to quit their house. You know, I have once heard a landlord say that he no longer wants a particular lady in his house again because the lady is bleaching. That when the lady moved in to that house, she was not bleaching. This is a man who, all these churchy people go to church, believe so much in, very spiritual. Fine. That's all good. Even if you wake up in the morning and you say, oh, this person used to walk like this, now you're walking like this, I want you out of my house. It is your house, it's your business. You have every right to accept whoever you want to accept as a tenant, and you have every right to ask the tenant to quit. But please do it the right way. Save your tenant a proper notice. If it is a yearly tenant, save that tenant a 6 months notice to prepare and leave your house. Look for another accommodation and move. You can't just wake up in the morning and tell someone, move out of my house. It's 2 weeks. I don't know why landlords do not adhere to laws. I don't know. Maybe because tenants are not bringing enough actions against them in court. I feel so. Even when we have a lot of tenancy issues in court, landlords are still... I know that tenants have their own problems, but landlords too. Please, if you're seeing this video and you're a landlord, always do things the proper way. Follow due process of law to evict your tenant. I have done a video a couple of times on this channel concerning notices. If you are a yearly tenant, the period of notice is 6 months. As a half yearly tenant and quarterly tenant, a tenant at will, I have the video. I'm going to leave a link on this particular video, or you can just search for it. You will see it. Please always follow due process. Don't do this. Don't use flimsy excuses to ask people to leave your house, giving them little or no notice at all. It is injustice. It is your house. We know it's your house. but please always do it the right way. I hope this video helps you. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video.